We're back with another great property here on the Medellin Real Estate Investments YouTube channel. We are looking at an apartment in the Provenza area of El Poblado. It's close enough to all of the, nightlife, restaurants, cafes that you could probably walk to, but it's far enough where you don't get all the noise, which is great. It's a pretty upscale building in a nice neighborhood, obviously. As you can see, the other buildings around, and you've even got the new construction over there. But the great thing is that you do have somewhat of a view here, and there's a little creek that runs through the back there, which we'll take a look at here in a sec. But this right here is giant windows. You get a lot of natural sunlight. You've got the kitchen area here, which is, again, open concept to the living area as well. It's got this American-style bar with the stovetop there, the oven, and then as we walk through into here, this is the laundry area with the stackable washer dryer. You could also use it as storage. A lot of space. I do like the industrial feel and the industrial look of this apartment. The vaulted ceilings, or unfinished, I guess, concrete ceilings kind of make it look even bigger, more ample, the high ceilings. This is the living area slash dining area here, which I think they made a really good use of this layout, whoever is owning this right now. This is the living area with the TV here, and again, a lot of natural light. This is the little balcony to the creek that runs in the back, which I thought was really nice. And really, that's the only noise that you get, is the babbling brook, I guess, right here in the back, and obviously the birds. But you don't hear any cars or any partying or any music, which is really great. I love this open area here, this open deck. Really, it is kind of a deck. It's more than just a balcony. It's a lot of space. You can really put a barbecue out there, maybe even like a little table and chairs. Must be great in the mornings, right? So we're walking into this bedroom here. This is the master. Again, this is only a 1-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, but it's perfect for anybody that's maybe a bachelor or a couple, someone that's coming here to live here either full-time or part-time, because it is close to the touristy area. You can also put it up on Airbnb and turn it over monthly. The square meters on this one is 90 square meters, which comes out to just be under 1,000 square feet. The listing price on this one is 945 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 233,000 US dollars. This is the walk-in closet. A lot of space. Yeah, a lot of space in this walk-in closet, and the bathroom. Love it. Yeah, I could definitely see myself living in here. And I love it because I do love living near, all the restaurants and nightlife that goes on in the city. And of course, I have my properties on Airbnb. I would definitely put this one up on Airbnb. So if you like this apartment and you want to make an offer, or maybe you want to make an offer on something different, make sure to click on the link in the description or the pinned comment. It'll take you to our form. You fill it out and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible.